Hey guys, this is Geeky Arvind back with another unboxing, and today this is the Ahuja Lapel microphone. And people, those who are following me, they know that I bought a DSLR, which is the Nikon D5300, and the audio quality is not good. I know, because I am recording this audio using the internal microphone of the DSLR, but to improve the quality I ordered this microphone by Ahuja and I have it. So in this video, let's just unbox this mic. Wait, let me just zoom out and just focus. So I already teared this box. Let me just open this. And by the way, I ordered it from Amazon for some 880 rupees, and I ordered it on 23rd and I got the delivery today, which is 31st. The packaging is really nice, and yes. Oh, there is this box. Wait, let me just throw this garbage. And this is the box. Let me just zoom in. Let me just adjust the tripod a little bit. Yes, so there's a tape. Let me just, and inside there is a carrying pouch. It says Ahuja. As you can see, this is the carrying pouch and it says Ahuja. Now let me just open the chain, and inside, what's this? This huge thing up, I don't know. You can read. So I think it's a connector that is used to connect this mic to another audio receiver. Then we have this mic itself, and this is 6-meter long cable, which is really very nice. And this is the microphone. It's made up of metal. And the wire quality is also very nice. The connector, although, is not gold plated, so that's the only downside of this mic. Wait, let me just focus. So as you can see, this connector is not gold plated. Let me just zoom out and just check out what's available. There's a Panasonic cell inside, and this cell will be inserted in this connector. So to connect the cell, just open it like this. Let me just focus first. Actually, this camera is taking a lot of time to focus. Just open this, and here you see the cell. But I'm not going to use this. So that's it. There's nothing else in this gate, and the build quality of the gate is made up of leather. So now I'll be doing some of the tests with this mic, and we will be able to see how it might work out.